Humingiti na buisit. Sinasabi ko lang. Just to give you guys a heads up, malandi po yan. Kaya huwag nyo yung nilalandi kasi ginagawa mo. Marunong din po kung ano guys, magbarang. Puta, happy mo. Guys.
Berangon tadi dia ay.
Hello everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to our channel and I'm so happy that you could be here. Welcome to a new vlog. Just a quick disclaimer though, I'm not a native speaker, but I don't know how to put subtitles, so I'm trying my best here to make this vlog not just friendly but as well universal. This past few days, we started getting busy since we started letting go of some of our plants to let others enjoy the beauty of growing their own foliages. I know that it's relatable, waking up in the morning, seeing your plants grow and bloom as they are destined to, looking at my our irubescens here, it's growing, our growing family of philodendrons, and all the plants that we really love at home. However, we also have our fair share of ups and downs when it comes to planting, when it comes to growing our plants at home. Since this vlog is all about my overwatered philodendron tricolor. Guys, I have been giving you tips when it comes to taking care of your philodendrons. However, I can't believe that I am showing you an overwatered philodendron, our very own Prince of Orange, that just by the looks of it, you can really tell that the water in the soil hasn't drained well. Its new leaf even died and the leaves don't look healthy at all. I remember repotting it on a rainy afternoon. However, I didn't expect this to happen. I don't know, it must be the soil or this pot because we bought this pot long ago before we started collecting plants. We will try to save this philodendron, and if you are as curious as me, just be with us so we can give you a heads up just in case something like this is happening to your plant and you are going through the same problem. Guys, we will remove the dead leaf, although I'd like to check if there's a new leaf that is about to go out. Let's check the caterpillar. Oh, there's a new one, so let's focus. I'm hoping for the best and I hope that we can save this one. Unlike most of the plants that we have at home, this one is given for free by a friend, and I really find it sentimental and I really value those things that were given to me because it fills my heart to know that some of my friends would really give something that I like even if I don't ask for it. It pains my heart to show you this plant at this state because this is so valuable, and it breaks my heart how unhealthy it looks like right now. Maybe it didn't like the soil or the pot itself isn't really a good one. I can't tell between the two. However, it's best to check it. From this unhealthy leaf, let me show you our healthy Prince of Orange, how the leaves look like. They're all upright and vibrant. That's why I feel so determined to save the overwatered one because I am looking forward to have it this way. So from this one, I'd like to turn it around. So let's go, guys. We will be changing the potting mix that we used in planting this one. However, apart from the factors that I have named earlier, I also have a quick story how overwatering of our philodendron had happened. This is a newly repotted one. So what happened 2 nights ago? There was a heavy downpour and we never expected that it will flood all over here, and I will be showing you a photo. I will flash a photo here so you'll have the idea how the flood looked like and how it affected some of our plants, including the one that I showed earlier. So the water was up until here. The water covered all the area here. I was almost crying while praying that the rain will stop, and I noticed the tricolor. It was filled with water. I had to go out to take out all the water from the pot because I noticed that it never drained. plant moms can relate how I felt. So I had to take him out from the rest. I have to put it inside the house. The next morning, I noticed that the leaves of my plant look droopy and the water hasn't drained, so the problem has begun. So I really think that I should save him and I should do it right away. So we have here for the potting mix, we have the coconut fiber, and we will put it in a pot to ensure that the water will drain quickly. Most of our plants include coconut fiber. However, I'm not sure if our tricolor had this. So we will make sure right now that we will be including this one, plus the garden soil. We also have this moonlight, our giant moonlight. Although it's a baby, we will also repot it together with our tricolor. So let's start. Just a quick advice, please make sure that your plants are placed in safe areas. Please avoid the mistakes that we have made. It's better to be safe than sorry. Place them in a safe area. And if it's heartbreaking to see them overwatered, how much more if the floods will flush them away. Now we're starting. So it's cleaning the leaves. Look at the soil. It's cakey. Can you relate what I mean by cakey? It's very muddy. He's trying to take them out. And I mean take all of the soil out. And look at this, guys. Oh my god, it hasn't even developed a single root. When this one was given to me, I'm sure that this is a fresh cutting that was just planted and was given to me. We immediately repotted it. However, I'm so sad to show you that it really didn't like where it was planted, because look at that. Only a single root has developed. Now it's high time to check the pot. He's just cleaning it. Let's just... Oh my god! It only has one hole in it? How would it drain? My god. I can't imagine the struggle that my plant went through. It didn't like the potting mix, and now the pot has only one hole in it. Now he's cleaning the pot before we will start planting it again to save it. Oh, this is so sad. So we will try it now. We will make sure that the pot will have enough holes. We may have unlimited coconut fiber for this one to help the soil drain the water. However, if the pot itself doesn't even have enough holes, then everything is pretty useless. Now he's making enough holes in it. So we will start now. So he's putting the coconut fiber on a first layer. Okay, that's how everything should go first. We will layer coconut fiber and then garden soil, cow manure, and back to coconut fiber to ensure a healthy and well-draining potting mix. Guys, this is a mixture of rice hulls, carbonized rice hulls, vermicast, and then the garden soil. So that is the next layer. So we mixed them all together before we put the cow manure at the top and then go back to coconut fiber. He's trying to clean this top because it was covered with mud. The type of soil that we used was actually muddy, and then he's wrapping it with coconut fiber afterwards before planting it in the potting mix inside the pot, of course. Guys, it has been a pleasure trying our best to save our plant, our very own Philodendron Prince of Orange, the tricolor, and I do hope that you could also find time as well to check your plants to know if they are going through the same thing or whatever problem they are going through. And feel free to comment down below, ask whatever is going on with your plant, tell us what are your comments, suggestions that will help us as well improve our planting techniques, because every one of us is capable. All you need is the heart for plants and a good start so you can have your own greenery. This has been the voice of Team Ranico. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the bell button beside it so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe.